Hey you guys, it's Shelly Wellness here. So the last time I was with you guys, I was raving about Brandless. I mean, if you haven't heard about Brandless already, you need to check it out. Brandless is dope. It is an online store. Everything is $3. But let me tell you about the things. The things they have are all natural and healthy and good for you, your body, your family, the environment, your household. They already have a ton of offerings and they're still adding more. When I talked to you last time, I was sharing with you about their food products and some of the household cleaning products. And I did a little bit of beauty stuff. But y'all, they expanded their beauty line. So in this video, I'm doing a natural pedicure. And as you know, I do love natural products. And most of my natural products start in my kitchen. There are some things that I got from the food line as well as their beauty line. So to do my natural pedicure, I start with a clean foot as well as remove all of my nail polish. Now let's talk about cleansing. Generally, we'll use soap to clean. But the thing about soap is that soap only works with the surface area. It doesn't really penetrate deep down into where stuff gets into your pores. So if you want to do a deep clean, it's always advisable that you use a mask. I love green clay, so I use green clay on my face. I feel like it pulls out my toxins and the impurities more. So what I did is I mixed green clay with a little bit of Brandless apple cider vinegar, and that created a paste for me, and I added some water as well. When I had that paste, I used that to clean my foot. And then you want to let it dry so that it has the opportunity to act like a magnet and literally pull all the stuff out of your foot, out of your skin, and then you want to wash that off. And then second, I exfoliate. Now to exfoliate, I'll usually do something like make a salt scrub or a sugar scrub. But for this one, because Brandless had this beauty line, I said, oh, let me check out the facial scrub. Now the facial scrub was a little too gritty for my face. However, it's perfect for the foot. So I took their facial scrub and I mixed it with honey, and the honey was great because it acts like a moisturizer and a humectant, and it really helps to seal moisture in and bring some nourishment to the foot. Honey, I feel like, is just nature's mwah to us. And so mixing honey with the facial scrub created a nice foot scrub, and that's what I used to exfoliate. So after I finish my exfoliation, I moisturize, and I use Brandless coconut oil just to moisturize and get my cuticles nice and soft. My foot's pretty much like well prepared and is ready to groom. So Brandless has an assortment of grooming products. They have nail clippers for both your toenails as well as your fingernails. They have nail files. They have tweezers. They have cuticle clippers. So I use a combination of all of that to go ahead and prepare my nails and get them ready for the polish. And then after I groomed, I moisturize again because you can never have enough moisturizer. Hello Coconut Oil gives me a nice sheen, and it stays on my foot, moisturizes my foot, feels good, and it's not too slippery. And then I polished my toes, and that was that. And the products worked really well because what I love more than anything is something that can be multiple things. And so by using the apple cider vinegar, I'm not only using that in my foot mask for my pedicure, but I'm also using it in my recipes, and I'm also using it to clarify my hair. Same with the coconut oil. Coconut oil I use as a moisturizer on my body and my foot. Also use it in my recipes. You guys try the Brandless line. If you have any questions about the products or anything else in the Brandless line, please leave a comment in the box and I'll definitely hit you up. And yeah, you guys, like, what are you waiting for? If you have not tried Brandless, you need to try it now because they are the bomb. I love their stuff. And yeah, my foot likes it too. I'll see you next time. Until then, take care, be well.